Part 2 of the Spain and Portugal motorcycle tour will take us from Salamanca in Spain to Faro in Portugal. You're about to experience a motorbike ride through Spain's most beautiful, breathtaking national park and a ride on probably Spain's best motorcycle road, the Serpent. In Part 1, somehow all 8 motorbikes made it safely from Cardiff in Wales to Salamanca in central Spain. There were a few incidents along the way. I nearly got hit off my motorbike by a bus. Steve came off his motorbike in the Picos Mountains, where we also lost Lenny and Elaine. There were stunning views along the way, especially around the lake at Riano. And we also experienced riding with vultures. If you haven't seen Part 1, there's a link to the series in the description. Let's jump straight into Part 2 of the Spain and Portugal Motorcycle Tour 2024. Riding from Salamanca in Spain, stopping in Mérida and ending in Faro, Portugal. It's day 4, Tuesday the 16th of July 2024, and we have a 200-mile ride from Salamanca to Mérida. The day starts with a full tank of fuel in Salamanca. Within 20 minutes, we're stopping. Steve lost his fuel cap and Lenny nearly caught it. We then pass through Guijuelo town, world famous for the finest jamon iberico, and ride along the water's edge of the stunning Embalse De Baños reservoir. On the A66, heading for Plasencia, where we take the EX208 road. We pass the Monfragüe National Park Visitor Centre before stopping at the Salto del Gitano viewpoint on the Tagus River. This is where you witness Pena Falcon, a colossal 300-metre high cliff face, which is home to the Spanish Imperial Eagle, one of the rarest on the planet. We continue on the EX208 road at winding, twisting roads to the town of Torrejón el Rubio. We ride through the historic town of Trujillo. Then it's a blast down to camp in Mérida, where we enjoy a few cold beers. Fuel up in Salamanca and jump on the N630 to Guijuelo. 20 minutes into the ride, we have a problem. Steve has asked me to pull over. Fuel caps come off. Huh? His fuel caps come off.
I nearly caught it.
No.
It went shoot past it like that.
Fitted.
Listen. I'll buy one at the show. Lenny, shut up, you're not being helpful. Just want to make sure we get your nose.
The N630 follows an ancient and hugely important route, the Via de la Plata, the Silver Route. This was an old Roman road connecting the north and the south of Hispania. The N630 will take you through Guijuelo, a name that in Spain means one thing, jamon. This is the heartland of Iberian ham. The town itself is the centre of an industry deeply woven in Spanish culture. The unique climate here, with its cold, dry winters and hot summers, is apparently perfect for Cuban hams, a tradition perfected over generations. Leaving Guijuelo, jump on the A66 motorway. Now I know what you're thinking, motorways are boring, but this stretch, the A66, is different. It runs parallel to the huge Embalse De Baños reservoir, and the views are genuinely stunning. A massive expanse of shimmering blue water. The road itself sweeps and curves along the water's edge. For a major highway, it is surprisingly beautiful. It's a relaxing cruise, a chance to eat up some miles, still enjoying the sheer scale of the Spanish landscape. The Embalse De Baños reservoir is roughly halfway between Guijuelo and Plasencia. Plasencia is where you trade the fast, modern A66 for a much smaller, much more interesting road, the EX208, a gateway to the heart of Monfragüe National Park. We'd handled a minor breakdown, followed an ancient Roman path, seen the home of Spain's finest ham, and cruised by a beautiful reservoir. The day was already good, but we all had that gut feeling every rider knows the best was yet to come.
Very nice. Look at that.
The second you cross into Monfragüe National Park, the scenery goes from pleasant to profound. The road carves its way through a landscape that feels primal and ancient.
These are sharp bends. Nice though.
These aren't the tight first gear hairpins you find in the high Alps. They are different. They are flowing third gear sweepers mixed with tighter sections that demand your full attention.
Look at that up there.
The name Monfragüe comes from the Romans, who called it Mons Fragorum, the fragmented mountain, and you're about to see why.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh, I wouldn't mind diving in there now. Lovely. How would we down there? Okay.
As you ride deeper, the road brings you alongside the Tagus River, which carved those dramatic gorges that define Monfragüe. You're entering a world of jagged peaks, deep river gorges, and rocky cliffs that jut out of the earth like weathered bones. The road itself is a masterpiece. It doesn't dominate the landscape, it respects it. The EX208 isn't a scar on the face of Monfragüe. It's like a ribbon laid gently on top. It follows the path of least resistance, flowing through valleys and clinging to the sides of hills. The most iconic viewpoint in the heart of Monfragüe National Park is Salto del Gitano, or Eagle's Rock as we like to call it. The colossal quartzite cliff face is called Pena Falcon, towering hundreds of feet into the sky. What you witness at Salto del Gitano is just breathtaking. This is one of the most important bird-watching sites in Europe. The Pena Falcon Cliff is home to one of the world's largest breeding colonies of griffon vultures. There's also the rare black storks, which nests in the crevices above the river. You might also see the smaller Egyptian vulture, but the ultimate prize, soaring high above everything else, is the Spanish imperial eagle, one of the rarest eagles on the planet. Within 5 minutes of leaving Eagle's Rock, on your way to the small town of Torrejón el Rubio, you'll be riding on my favourite section of the EX208 road. After you ride over the small stone bridge, the road starts climbing up the other side of the river. You'll be riding on a lovely twisting, turning road with a few amazing U-bends thrown in. This is what the EX208 is all about. It's the perfect marriage of a driver's road and a naturalist's paradise. It is without doubt a true rider's dream. We spend so much time looking for roads like this and finding what feels like striking gold. The mix of scenery, wildlife and perfect corners is the holy grail. But we know there are other hidden gems out there, tucked away in different corners of the world. And that's where I need your help. Let me know in the comments, what is the best hidden gem road you've ever ridden? Tell me the road number, the country, and what makes it so special. You never know, your secret spot could be my next adventure.
They're not far behind. They're not far behind. No. About 10 seconds. Nice. Couple of nice little bends there, weren't there? Yeah. Those bulls don't like to look at you. Go on, you go ahead.
The road leads you through the small town of Torrejón el Rubio. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future episodes. It's another 30 miles of road like this before you hit the town of Trujillo. Then it's 50 miles from Trujillo to Mérida, which can be ridden on the faster A5 motorway. And that wraps up one of the best days riding I have ever had. We made it to Camping Mérida. Tomorrow we'll see us riding more twisting, winding roads with amazing views as we ride from Mérida down towards Huelva and over the border into Portugal. Keep watching to experience the Serpent. Probably the best motorcycle road in Spain. 75 miles of twisting, turning road with stunning views. It's day 5, Wednesday the 17th of July 2024. We have another 200-mile ride from Mérida in Spain to Faro in Portugal. From Camp Mérida, stay on the N630 for 40 miles to Zafra. From Zafra, jump on the EX101 for 30 miles to Fregenal De La Sierra. You'll now need to take the Serpent road, 80 miles on the N435 towards Huelva. You'll cross the Extremadura Andalucía border at the Embalse De Bridge before going over the Zafra-Huelva railway line. As you cross the River Olhão, you'll experience probably the best road in Spain with its amazing views of the Serpent's twisting, winding road stretching beyond the horizon. At Huelva, take the A49 to Portugal. Go over the Guadiana Bridge into border control, where I got refused by the toll machine. After a fantastic ride of over 200 miles, you'll arrive at Camping Olhão in Faro, Portugal. It's time to enjoy the Moto Club de Faro Bikers Festival 2024. Day 5 starts by leave Camping Mérida to ride 40 miles on the N630 to Zafra. We're now on the EX101, riding 30 miles from Zafra to Fregenal De La Sierra. The road narrows, the gentle sweeps begin to tighten, and the flat plains start to heave upwards, forming the foothills of the Sierra Morena Mountains. Oh, so this is the Zafra Road, the EX 101, going to Huelva. At Fregenal De La Sierra, you need to take the Serpent Road, a scenically breathtaking motorbike road. 75 miles of beautiful, challenging curves. The N435 wriggles its way through the south of Spain like a signature, written by a madman. Go from the Extremadura region to the Andalucía region by the Embalse De Baños Bridge. I enter the heart of the Sierra de Guadiana National Park, a protected expanse of more than 186,000 hectares. A ribbon of asphalt draped over the hills of Andalucía. At one point, the road crosses the old Zafra-Huelva railway line, a momentary man-made interruption in this otherwise wild and natural environment. There's a section, a glorious 10-mile stretch, that I know will be burnt into my memory forever. It's a series of perfectly radiused, interconnected bends that climb a mountainside. What strikes you almost as much as the corners is the silence, the solitude. You can ride tens of miles without seeing another soul, without seeing a single vehicle coming the other way. These aren't the tight, claustrophobic hairpins you might find in the Alps. They are fast-flowing bends that pull you from one to the next in a seamless, hypnotic rhythm. You get the sense you could be on the mountain section of the Isle of Man, TT. It is not a route for tourists. It's a route for riders. It's a pilgrimage for those who believe a motorcycle is the ultimate tool for interacting with a landscape. At Huelva, leave the Serpent to merge onto the A49 motorway. The Guadiana International Bridge is the gateway to Portugal. Riding over the Guadiana River, the view is spectacular. You'll have Spain behind you and Portugal in front. The welcome to Algarve sign means you've made it to Portugal. Pull in at the Turismo sign. In Portugal, many motorways use an electronic toll system. This is where you link your motorbike's license plate to a credit card. I think there's a machine that takes photos on the side there. So you show your passport and they have the photo of your number plate taken. It's €5.
Hanging bastards. Because you won't go into neutral.
Pardon?
I'll have to stop start line because it won't go into neutral.
Just about.
Sure?
Yeah. Stop. Stop. There we are.
Done?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So what? Just tap it or
insert, yeah, please.
insert?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's heavy. It's heavy, the girl.
Oh, very heavy. Yeah.
Remove.
Quitar tarjeta. Cartão
No,
inválido.
but he marked me invalid. He marked me invalid. If you have other one, I don't know
No,
why.
I haven't.
Sorry, my bad.
Carte.
Why is it?
Sometimes some banks, the debit ones, the machine won't read the debit ones, only the credit ones.
Insertar
If you have
tarjeta.
the other card or your card friend.
Consommer la carte.
No. Jeff, it's not accepting this card, my card.
But you're not going to prison.
Yeah.
You want to go on my car?
I got no
Don't let
choice.
him, send him home. You can't come in.
Turn
Go
round.
back.
But it doesn't accept some debit
And
cards.
you don't have my PIN number either, just put it in there. Yeah, but you fill up all broken bits.
Remove card. Right.
Retirar palavras.
Okay.
Boa
Cheers, Jeff.
viagem.
Owe you £2.
Pp2 ZHM. Oh, correct. This
Go
one
ahead,
is
get off,
good.
quick, go. Next one.
I just push it by here for now. Thanks to Jeff, the invisible barrier has been lifted. I can ride in Portugal. 30 miles from the Portuguese border tolls, all 8 bikes successfully pull into camping Olhão in Faro, Portugal. We have made it. Days 6, 7 and 8 were spent at the Moto Club de Faro Bikers Festival. 5 of us stayed in tents, the other 4 stayed in a hotel. If you enjoyed watching, give this video a thumbs up. Click the on-screen subscribe button to be notified of future video productions, and click the on-screen links to watch other videos in this series. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.